am going to be taking out my hair. If you have not seen my recent video, I am currently using absolutely no product. Okay, I'm using oil and I'm using water. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. There should be a link down in the description below or right up above. Check out that video and come back. So I am going to be taking out these twists. It is day 8 right now. It's day 8 and this is what it looks like so far. I mean, it does itch a lot, so it is thirsty for water because it is very, very dry. But I want you guys to see my curl when I wet it and I, you know, put it together. I'm going to be taking it out and doing a protective style. I'm debating on whether or not I should. I'm just filling up the water. I'm debating on whether or not I should do single braids or 2 braids, or I don't know. Like, I really don't know what to do, especially when I could barely use any product because I gotta slick down these naps. So this is gonna be a process. I just wet my hair and wet it and wet it and wet it. All right, and we just take it out one by one. Start with the sides first. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and then I let go. Boom and boom. Hey. Overboard now. I want you to. These are a lot of twists. I didn't even think about all that. These are a lot. It's just a lot of twist in my hair. It's a lot. It's a lot. Some of them already unraveled, which is so annoying because the curl pattern is already gone, but that's okay. It's so weird that without product, that when I spray the water on my hair, it's a lot harder for it to come apart. Like when I have product and as soon as I wet it, it's so much easier to pull apart. But this is like, it's like I gotta soak my hair just for it to come apart very easily. I don't think I have that many problems without, you know, using my curl milk and stuff like that. I really feel like with oil and water, I can manage. But comment down below, have you ever tried just using oil and water, and how long? Like, how long did you go? Right now I'm on day 8 and it's going. It's going. It's gonna be hard trying to do a protective style and just keep my parts straight, and yeah, I gotta figure that out along the way. But look at my hair so far. Look at these. Look, girl, you can't tell me. Wow. Comment down below. Wow. Oh my gosh. If y'all really comment that, once again, you're a real one. I didn't even spray the front like that. Now that thing is soaking. Okay, I got this, got these, I got this one. Ooh, I might just leave it like this. Lift that a little bit. Oh, I missed one as always. Y'all, my hair is gonna be, I want like this big afro. Big, real big. I should just leave it like this, to be honest. One in the back, that's what it looked like. Nothing to it. I'm going to put in a protective style, and I think I'm gonna go with plaits because plaits, they last longer, which is going to be time consuming. So hopefully you stick around and see the final product of my hair, or just see how I did it and how I made it easier for me. Okay, so far I was able to part this section. For the most part, this is as straight as it could get, cause your girl cannot see, and I'm working with my mirror. You know, it's straight, So I'm just gonna finish parting my hair and then get ready to start braiding. I want them really long.
3 hours later.
So I finished parting my hair, you know, to the best of my ability, and I think they came out great so far. But I know you're wondering, girl, how are you gonna do your hair with just oil and water? You know what, I'm not even gonna use as much water because I don't want my hair to curl up when I'm trying to braid it. So just watch and learn, cause yeah, normally I would use like some sort of jam to try to part my hair, but it was fairly easy. It was a lot of nooks and crannies in my hair because my hair is very, very thick and very, very nappy. So parting it was just, you know, it took I want to say like 30 minutes, but then you know that I'm lying to you. It took me about 2.5 hours to part my hair. Yeah, it did. It really did. Cause I like stuff to be neat, so I probably ran over the same part like 4 or 5 times. And now we're here, and I'm just going to get started on doing my hair. So I decided to do knotless braids, which I said I would not do, but because they are bigger, I'm like, it probably won't last as long, especially since I'm not using any jam or anything. So I might not even keep it in that long, but we'll see. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it's the look for me, and if you guys like it, comment down below. And if you don't, you know, don't say nothing, just, you know, just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. I tried. All right, so let's get into the video. Be sure to give this a thumbs up if you have not already, and subscribe to my channel, man. I'm coming back to back with these videos. It is not tight. I do not want it tight because these braids are very long, and without product, without heat, with all that great jazz to make it look very straight and slick, slick, I cannot produce that. My hair look natural as ever. So hopefully when it gets all old and stuff, it'll, you know, sort of kind of blend in, but I know for a fact that it will not. But
I tried. That feeling when you get down to the last braid. Oh my goodness. This was an all day process. Mainly because I took breaks in between, but that's besides the point. My hair is frizzing out. I do not have any product but my oil and my water, and this is mainly a natural look. Like if I was to plait my own hair, this is what it would look like. So I mean, I guess you can say it looks okay from a natural standpoint, but baby, if I had me some smoothing gel and, you know, I just would slap it on there to get rid of those naps that are poking out of the hair. But for the most part, I am on my last braid. I can't even slick down my edges. Like, baby, when it comes to product, it is very important when you're doing weave, extensions, whatever you call it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to my scalp. This is the final product. You can see my roots. Oh baby, why did I do this? Like, I was regretting every single braid, but I'm like, these braids are so long, I am not gonna take this out as of yet. So I'm gonna sweat these bad boys out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Hit that bell for post notifications for whenever I do upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And that is it for today's video. Comment any other hair suggestions, anything you would like. Bye.